Hi guys, welcome to our channel Food Treasure. Today we got vegetable pakora on the menu. It's a mouth-watering vegetable snack. We're going to show you how to make it. Please keep watching. All the ingredients listed down below in the description so you can check it out. So let's start. We got some chopped coriander, sliced onion, ginger garlic paste, shredded potatoes, chopped green chillies, garam masala, shredded cabbage, some red chili powder, and the chickpeas flour. So on the big bowl we're gonna mix it, the onion, cabbage, the shredded potatoes, coriander, ginger garlic paste, that chili, chickpeas flour, and the garam masala and the red chili powder. Basically we're gonna mix it everything like thoroughly. With a little bit of water. So when we make a mix, we gotta make sure it shouldn't be like too runny. So it has to be like set, like like when you drop in the oil, it has to be like sticky, like we adding more chickpeas flour to make it like consistency. Look at this. It has to be something like that. So it's ready to fry. So on the pot, on the deep pot, we're gonna add some oil. So once it heated up, we're grabbing small quantity and dropping the deep fryer. So once it turned into golden brown, so we know it's cooked through. The reason we're getting a small quantity is like we're gonna make sure like it's cooked like from outside to deep inside as well. So once it turns into golden brown, so we know by the color it's ready to serve. So we're gonna take it out, put on the top of the paper towel. So you're gonna soak like the oil, and it's ready to serve. Here you go, the mouth-watering vegetable pakora. As simple as it is. So you can make it like at home anytime.
Thanks for watching. If you want more such videos, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.